We survived the landing and hopefully we are surviving the boats as well. Jonathan is driving and it's beautiful and amazing. The weather forecast said that it should rain today. There's only some.
We're on Madeira, as you can see, beautiful clouds behind us, and that's actually because we're above the tree line right now, shooting all the mountains from above. It's crazy.
There's actually something more we wanted to tell you because this time Jonathan and I are not traveling, just the two of us.
Yeah, it's very weird. We have a very special guest.
Let's go! Check her out on Instagram! Hi!
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Goodness gracious. I don't say much to the fakers. They gon' see me later when shining like a laser. Everybody now feel like strangers. Ain't got much in common unless my family's getting paper. Wow. All that pretending, stop defending it. I get tunnel vision when I'm handling my business. Wow. All that pretending ain't defending it. I must mind my business while handling my business. Wish I had money in pocket, it probably burned holes in my jeans. Wish it ran like a faucet, you know exactly what I mean. Hope I don't slip up in a pine box. Tell the devil, go and get lost. Matter of fact, can turn a kid rocks. Then I moonwalk back to the...
Do you know this feeling when you go somewhere for the view and then all you see is nothing?
Funny you should say that.
I wanna feel like NASA. Probably had jet fuel in my pampers, but I can't find the answers. No, gotta find them answers, Soon as I saw this equation, we gon' take off like a spaceship. Show my people that we make it. Then I'm staying look like basements. Wow. I don't say much to the fakers. They gon' see me later when shining like a laser. Everybody now feel like strangers. Ain't got much in common unless my family's getting paper.
Is she really that special though? She's been in 2 of our other videos.
Don't you have another third wheel you can take?
I mean, it's, yeah. So yeah, it's yeet ourselves down the mountain again.
I must mind my business while handling my business. Whole crew be too strong. Step or two us, feel the pressure, fold up like a futon. Crunched up like a crouton. Need cheddar cheese like 2 tons. To the power 100. Feeling like a split atom.
We're currently in the Fanal forest and it's absolutely beautiful here. We got up early so we catch the fog and as you can see there's like lots of weird trees around. It's absolutely amazing.
If we look and sound a little bit cold and sniffy, it's because it's fucking cold and wet and I think we all have wet feet. But worth it.
Worth it. How do you like the fog?
It's great. you can't really trust the weather forecast on Madeira, so we try not to look too much at it. And so far we've been really lucky with that, until today. When we went and tried to get a sunrise this morning, there was not so much sunrise. Or, there was a sunrise but we didn't see it. So now we're hoping for an epic sunset instead.